We have just completed our entire toolkit of C operators. We can perform complex calculations, we can store values, and we can even make logical decisions that result in a 1 true or a 0 false. But there's a big problem. All of this is happening silently. If you run your program, you see nothing. Your program calculates the result, but it never shows you the answer. How do we make the program communicate with us? How do we print the value of the result variable to the screen? Welcome to Lesson 2.08. Today, we begin one of the most important topics, input, output, or I/O. We will start with output. You already know the printf function from hello, world, but that just printed a static piece of text. Today, we unlock the real power of printf formatted output. This means learning how to print the contents of our variables by using special placeholders called format specifiers. We will master the three most essential specifiers: %d for int, integers; %f for float and double decimals; %c for char characters. First, the problem: how to print a variable. Let's say we have this variable, integer score equals 100. If you write printf score, the program will just print the word score. It won't print the value 100. To print the value inside the variable, we need to tell printf two things: where to put the value, what type of value it is. We do this with a format specifier. Second, the core format specifiers. Number 1, %d for integers. The specifier for an int is %d, which stands for decimal, a base 10 integer. You put %d inside the quotes where you want the number to appear. Then, after the quotes, you add a comma and the name of the variable. Integer score equals 100. Printf, your score is %d score. Output will be, your score is 100. Number 2, %f for decimals. Float, double. To print a decimal, we use %f, which stands for float. Float price equals 19.99. Printf, the price is %f, price. Output will be, the price is 19.990000. Note, printf often adds extra zeros for precision. That's normal. Number 3, %c for characters, char. To print a single character, we use %c for character. Char grade equals a. Printf, your final grade is %c grade. Output will be, your final grade is a. Third, combining and the new line character. You can use as many specifiers as you want in a single printf statement, as long as you list the variables in the correct order after the comma. Integer score equals 100. Char grade equals a. Printf, your score is %d and your grade is %c, score, grade. Output will be, your score is 100 and your grade is a. But wait, that's all on one line. How do we add a line break? We use a special escape character, \n. This \n is the universal symbol for a new line. Printf, score, %d \a, score. Printf, grade, %c \n, grade. Output will be, score, 100 new line, grade, a new line. We have now mastered output. Our program can finally talk to us and show us the results of its hard work. But programming is a two-way street. We can talk, but we can't listen. How do we ask the user, what is your age? And then let them type a number, and then store their answer in an integer variable. This is input. And for that, we need the other essential I/O O function, scanf. Click on the next video to watch lesson 2.09. Basic data input, output, the scanf function, user input.